Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online class. In today's class, we shall learn about simple past and past continuous. Simple past, the part is subject plus second form of the verb. So here you should not be confused because the second and third form of most of the verb is formed by adding d or ed to the verb. So second and third form will remain the same. But how we should understand the a particular ed form of the verb is in second or third. In sentence, when we use second form is usually used in simple past without any helping verb. If a verb is used after ed form of a verb is used after a helping verb, then you should understand that the verb is in its third form. If a helping verb is used before the verb, then the verb is in third form, and a second form of the verb is used. That means it is without a helping verb. So the pattern of simple past is subject plus second form of the verb. I went to Madura yesterday. Here, as I said, in simple past, second form of the verb is used, but no helping verb is there if the sentence is affirmative. But if the sentence is negative or interrogative, then we use helping verb did. Did plus main verb. When we use did in simple present tense, simple past tense, then the second form will not be used. Did is already used in simple past, then only the first form of the main verb should be used. So helping verb did is used in negative and interrogative sentences. Then the pattern of negative is subject plus did not plus first form of the verb. I said, though it is simple past, the verb form is second form of the verb, but did is used as helping verb, then only the first form of the main verb will be used. Here did is already in its second form, so main verb's first form will be used. So negative, the pattern is subject plus did not plus first form of the verb. So there you should not get confused. Example, I did not go to Madura yesterday. Go is the first form. So second form should be used in simple past. So according to the rule, it would be went. But did is already in past. So after did, the first form of the main verb will be used. I went to Madura yesterday. The negative of that is I did not go to Madura yesterday. When the second form converted into first form go. Did plus subject, interrogative sentence, the pattern is did plus subject plus first form of the verb. Did will, the question will begin with did, then subject, and then first form of the verb. Did I go to Madura yesterday? Did is the first helping verb, then subject, then first form of the verb go. Keywords used in this tense is yesterday, last means last Monday, last week, last day, last night, last year, etc. Usage: an action done in remote past. A simple action done in remote past is mentioned in simple past. Now, past continuous tense. Singular subject plus was plus verb 1 plus ing. If the subject is singular, then helping verb will be was will be used, then ing form of the verb. She was singing a song in the function. If the subject is plural, then the pattern is plural subject plus where plus verb 1 plus ing. So if the subject is plural, then helping verb where will be used before ing form of the verb. Example: they were playing cricket in the evening. They were playing cricket in the evening. Usage: an action done progressively in the past. That means an action started in the past and it was continuing for some time in the past itself. An action which started in the past and was continuing for some time in the past. That past action. So it is not continuing till the present. It continued for some time in the past itself and finished. So such actions will be mentioned. The progressive action in the past will be written in past perfect continuous tense. An example to make it clear: he was working on a project when I last visited him. So he was working on a project when I visited him last. So one action already completed in the past, then while another action was going on. One action already completed in the past while another